Another day, another vid, and for today's video, I'll be joining Benny Productions Photoshop Battle. So Benny is hosting a Photoshop battle with this month's theme, aliens. To join, we need to edit any of these 3 photos in an alien-themed photo manipulation. So now, let's start plotting. My idea is to create a superhero piece in an otherworldly setting. Since Benny is flying, I have to bend his legs more so it will look more natural. It's now almost 11 PM, so let's fuel up with some ice cream! Enough with the ice cream, let's now continue with the editing.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done,
I will be using this plane to create a jetpack for Benny.
I've come so far. I know I'm so much better.
Let's adjust it a bit so it will look like it's attached to him.
I could feel it in my bones.
Since his eyes is not looking directly at the monster, let's put some glasses on him.
Hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right.
Since the flamethrower is green, we need to add some green highlights.
Those days are gone. I'm walking tall.
Let's also add some green glow from the flamethrower.
Think about the way we used to be. When I think about the things.
We're now done setting up the scene, so it's time to put some fire beams to the jetpack. Now it's time to add the other details. Let's go! Adding some planets on the background will make our piece more otherworldly.
But I'm just fine, I'm gonna shine. I'm alright, alright.
I'll just add some more green highlights here and there. Let's add some flying spaceships on the background.
I'm alright, alright, alright. Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that
I'll add this vial on the gun so it will be a more convincing flamethrower.
in your own. When I think about the way, when I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better.
I added the green glow on the alien monster so it will look like the fire is piercing through his body. I think this is done, so let's just add some camera raw filter, and here's the final piece.